Hey everyone, this is your boy Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button, okay? Now, let's see what happens when you enable the use graphic acceleration when available, okay? I've enabled it, and now let's close and restart the browser. Let's visit Netflix, and let's see if it will record or not, okay? So I'm gonna hit play on whatever. So as you can see, what is happening right now, it is playing, but we are getting a black screen. Okay, when we are using OBS Studio, it's not recording. You'll only get the audio, you will not get any visuals. Okay, and now just disable the use graphics acceleration when available and simply click relaunch. Okay, so this will relaunch Netflix as well. So let's say we are playing this, and now as you can see, you won't be getting the black screen. It's gonna play.